What's the case for centralizing artifact management across all package formats, not just say npm or Python? That really comes down to the weakest link in the chain. I think, okay, npm and Python are really high profile. There's high volume. Hackers particularly are super aware of flaws there. But that doesn't mean that you're not at risk from other package formats just because they're maybe not as popular for hackers. You still have that less well-known package format at your security boundary, and that makes you at risk. And so you should be applying your security configuration, your policies at a global level, agnostic of package formats. The problem with being too specific with certain package formats is that you've got configuration for one package format that may not map directly to another package format. And those are gaps. And hackers can fill those gaps in between. So that's where your risk occurs. What you really need is a centralized global configuration. You need one platform that can solve these problems, and then you don't leave those gaps again where a malicious actor can jump in.